MSc Final Bioinorganic E-class. Topic of our class is metal complexes in transmission of energy. It includes basically the process of photosynthesis. So now the question arises, what is the relation of metal complexes in photosynthesis? And secondly, what do we mean by transmission of energy? So let us understand the whole process first. Okay, so we had studied about bioenergetics in our earlier classes. So let us revise or recollect. हमने पढ़ा था कि सन से लाइट एनर्जी को प्लांट्स ट्रैप करते हैं और लाइट एनर्जी को ग्लूकोज और सिंपल शुगर्स में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. इस केमिकल एनर्जी को एनिमल्स यूज़ करते हैं. इसका मतलब हुआ कि एनर्जी का ट्रांसमिशन हुआ प्लांट से एनिमल्स को. ये ट्रांसमिशन किसके द्वारा हुआ? बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. फोटोसिंथेसिस में सन की एनर्जी को ट्रैप किया गया और लाइट एनर्जी को केमिकल एनर्जी के रूप में एनिमल्स को ट्रांसमिट किया गया. इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा हेल्प की क्लोरोफिल पिगमेंट्स ने. एंड व्हाट आर क्लोरोफिल पिगमेंट्स? They are simply metal complexes. So what happened in the whole process? Energy is transmitted by metal complexes in the photosynthesis. तो अब हमें क्या पढ़ना होगा? The amazing process of photosynthesis. So let us start. The use of light energy to produce carbohydrate from carbon dioxide and a reducing agent such as water is known as process of photosynthesis, which can also be defined as the transformation of photonic energy. What is photonic energy? It is the light of radiant energy into the chemical energy, which is locked in high energy bonds of carbohydrate molecules by the green parts of the plants. So totally it is a redox process. The reaction is very simple, but the whole process is complex. And we cannot cook carbohydrate in our kitchen by using carbon dioxide and water. It requires photosynthetic pigments. So what is photosynthetic pigments? Light energy can be absorbed by some pigments before it carries photochemical reaction in photosynthesis. In chloroplast, a wide range of pigments are present. All these pigments absorb visible light due to presence of conjugated double bonds in their structure and thus are colored. हमने पढ़ा था कि conjugated double bonds में electrons loosely bond होते हैं and they get excited to the higher state. There are three types of photosynthetic pigments. The first one is chlorophylls. What are chlorophylls? They are the family of green pigments functioning as receptors of light energy in the photosynthesis process. They are basically magnesium porphyrin complexes. The second are carotenoids. This is the major group of photosynthetic pigments and their function is to protect chlorophyll molecules from photooxidation. The third category is xanthophylls. This is the major group of carotenoids, the carotenins and the carotenols. Now we come to the most important pigment, and that is chlorophyll. As we can see in the structure of chlorophyll, chlorophylls are the series of 10 different chlorophylls. Chlorophyll A, B, C, D, E and bacteriochlorophylls. Two types, that is chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, are widely distributed in green plants and in green algae. Carotenoids do not participate in the light reaction. ये बात हमें ध्यान में रखनी है. But they do broaden the range of the light that a plant can use and thus function as antenna. Now we come to the structure of chlorophyll. क्लोरोफिल का स्ट्रक्चर जैसे कि हम डायग्राम में देख रहे हैं, द बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ऑल क्लोरोफिल मॉलिक्यूल इज अ पोरफायरिन सिस्टम in which 4 pyrrole rings linked together by methane groups forming a ring system. The center of tetrapyrrole is occupied by a divalent magnesium ion which is complexed with the nitrogen atoms of 4 pyrrole rings. Each chlorophyll has a fifth ring containing only carbon atoms. This porphyrin skeleton bears an alcohol with 20 carbon atoms, the phytol chain, which is bound in ester linkage to the pyrrole ring 4. The phytol chain is responsible for lipoidal solubility of the chlorophylls. The empirical formula of chlorophyll A is C55H72O5N4 magnesium. Chlorophyll B is widely distributed in higher plants and green algae. The chlorophyll varies in its structure of side chain attached to the pyrrole rings. The chlorophyll B differs from chlorophyll A in that chlorophyll A has a methyl group on the ring second, while the chlorophyll B has a aldehyde group on the second ring. अब जैसे कि स्ट्रक्चर में हमको दिखाई दे रहा है कि एक मैग्नीशियम आयन है, बाईवेलेंट मैग्नीशियम आयन है जो 4 पायरोल रिंग्स के नाइट्रोजन के साथ में अटैच्ड है। क्लोरोफिल ए और क्लोरोफिल बी में जो डिफरेंस है वो रिंग 2 पर, एक में क्लोरोफिल ए में मिथाइल ग्रुप लगा हुआ है जबकि क्लोरोफिल बी में CHO ग्रुप लगा हुआ है। इन पोजिशंस को हम R पोजिशंस भी कहते हैं। So these are the photosynthetic pigments. In our next class, we will start with photochemistry of chlorophyll molecules and the mechanism of photosynthesis. Thank you.